Hey there, it's Zach, and today we're going to be going over taking form info from a React website. Here's a quick one that I made. And then I'm going to be using it in order to determine if the information put in is a triangle. So first, here's a pretty quick and simple React website I threw up. I have these three input boxes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with functionality that'll take these and then make a determination whether it's a triangle. So far, what I have is you can see I have three different updating functions. So what that means is I have it updating and console logging. So anytime I change, you can see that down there, all of them. So I'll do 1, 2, 3. Then I have on submit, it does a quick console log of value of input. So now I need to throw in some functionality. So right here in handle click, I'm going to make some determinations. First, going to want to sort it for proper comparison. What else? I'm also going to want to parse int it. So everything that's coming in is going to be in a string format, so I want to make sure to turn it into a number. All right, so first I'm going to make a const array is, then I'm going to do parse int. All right, and then I'll do first choice, second choice, and third choice. And then I'm gonna throw a dot sort on there. I'm gonna do some low-level testing here. I'm gonna just console log array real quick, see what comes up. So I'm gonna put in 3 different numbers real quick to see if they actually are sorting. Let's do 3, 4, 5. That seems like a good triangle. Oh, right. Let me do 3, 9, 7, and it is sorting. Perfect. So we have the sorting functionality. I can go ahead and get rid of that. All right, so next, just for clarification so it doesn't look too crazy, I'm going to actually create 3 variables. And the reason I'm doing this is that way when we start typing, it keeps it clean and concise. It just makes for better code overall. If you ever have the option, I really suggest always grouping your code as this. You have this clear look. So when you're like, oh, okay, let me find this bind event. I can look there, global variables at the top, what I'm importing, all my functions. It just makes for better overall code because chances are you're not the only person that's ever going to, or that's always going to work on it, especially at a enterprise and legacy level. Ready, so I created these three quick lets from within it. I could do some ternary operators or really any sort of operands that make determination of numbers, but just for simplicity, I'm going to do a if, else if, and else statement. What I'm going to do is first I'm going to determine if there's enough information or people even entered anything. Then I'm going to see if it's equilateral, moving down to isosceles, moving down to scaling, and then to not a triangle. So first, let me see if I can do an if. Oh, it's built in. Fantastic. Else if. Copy. All right, looks about right. So first, my condition is I'm going to make sure that there's actually something inputs. And the reasoning is if there's not, then it's going to kind of be one of those edge cases where it throws things out of whack. So if anything is equal to, undefined or not input, I'm going to do a quick alert that says, not enough information. Awesome. Else if, and here's where I'm going to be. My second condition, I'm going to be looking for an equilateral triangle. So I'm going to say if A, true equals B, true equals C. Then I'm going to do a quick alert that says this is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That looks right. I'm not an English major, right? Alrighty. Moving down, after that, I'm going to say if A equals B, or B equals C, B equals C, or A equals C. Now I know you're saying, oh, okay, well, if it's sorted and A doesn't equal B doesn't equal C, then A is not going to equal C. Well, the problem is you start getting into edge cases, which I'll go over in other videos. But for now, let's just leave it at this and let's keep our flow current. So let's see if A equals B or B equals C or A equals C, then this is going to be an isosceles. That looks right. Isosceles triangle. Then for the last one, we're going to be looking for scaling, which is nothing is equal. So since this is one of the reasons we sorted it, we can do simply A plus B is greater than C, which is necessary because if A plus B is equal to or lesser, well, then you just have two parallel lines, and it just doesn't make sense. With this, I'm going to alert scaling triangle. And if none of these conditions are true, it's automatically going to default to not a triangle. Not a capital T. Let's give that a shot. See what it looks like. Missing radix parameter. We shall see. So give it a quick refresh. First, I'm going to test the not enough information. Awesome. Then I'm going to test equilateral. Oh, perfect. So why is that? Why did it jump down to isosceles? We do a quick console log. A, B, C. That's not even C. See what it comes out as? And it's going to be on submit. So I'm going to need to redo this. So 3, 4, 5. Right, that's the answer. But the console logs it. Okay. 3, 3, 3. Oh, right, yes. Isosceles. Now, why is this not grabbing? A equals B. Let's try. Sometimes inside of JSX, inside of React, some funky things happen. So we could always just break down a little bit further, and we'll just say if A equals B and B equals C. I could also do if A equals C since it's being sorted, but I digress. So let's try 2, 2, 2. Perfect. 2, 2, 3. Isosceles. Perfect. 3, 4, 5. Equilateral. Or, sorry. Wait, hold up. Oh, scaling. Yes, that's what I wanted. And then let's say 1, 4, 6. This should say not a triangle. Awesome. So as you can see, what had happened is we just set up conditional statements. If you have any other questions about React, I'm always welcome to help. Free of charge. I just enjoy the world learning about programming. Feel free to leave a comment. Alrighty. Have a great day.